Hi, are you looking for information and overseas scholarship and need to write an essay as part of your application? You are in the right place. In this video, we'll cover the essential steps to writing an effective and engaging essay so you can increase your chance of getting your dream scholarship. Don't miss about the tips and tricks that will help you to stand you among the thousands of the other applicants. But before it, we will introduce our team. We are from Group 1, which is composed of Kirana, Qonita, Rais, Dea Nisa Sifana, Muhammad Abdurahman S, and I am Vera Margaretha Sihotang. This is us with the attached student identification number, and we are from Com 1 and the Com 2. So let's start it how to make effective essay for getting a scholarship abroad.
As we know, essay is vital tool for applicants to present their case in a professional and compelling way in this context. This study aims to explore the strategies and techniques necessary for crafting an effective scholarship essay, focusing on the key components that scholarship committees look for and how applicants can best present their case, by identifying the common challenges faced by applicants and providing solutions. This list will offer valuable insight to improving the scholarship essay writing process.
So we will continue to problem statement. First, how can the structure of an effective scholarship essay be developed to enhance the chance of obtaining a scholarship for studying abroad? Second, what are key components that should be included in scholarship essay to capture the attention of scholarship committees? Third, how can students effectively communicate their financial needs, academic achievement, and potential contribution after graduation through a scholarship essay?
The next is research objective, or what is the purpose of the research. Number 1 is to provide a structured guide for writing an effective scholarship essay, helping students improve their chance of securing a scholarship for studying abroad. Number 2, to identify the essential components that must be included in a scholarship essay, such as academic background, career goals, and personal motivation in order to create a compelling and persuasive essay. And the last is to offer the strategies for students to clearly communicate their financial needs and potential contribution after completing their education abroad through a convincing scholarship essay.
Definition of an essay. Linguistically, the term essay comes from the French word meaning to try or to attempt. Meanwhile, Delman 2011, an essay is a piece of writing that reflects the reader's opinion on particular subject, which the reader attempts to evaluate. Essays typically discuss a specific subject or issue. Next, according to Wijayanti and Friends 2012, who gathering opinions from teachers and students about essay. The share and common view. First, an essay is a composition that consists of more than one paragraph. Second, an essay recounts events that are known and understood, which means it contains facts or experience. Third, an essay conveys the reader's opinions or views on the discussed topic, making it subjective. Additionally, opinion from Margaretha et al. 2004 say that essay can be seen as an effort to express a perspective on a topic in a concise form with the best possible presentation. The most important aspect of an essay is not what is being discussed but how it is discussed. The opinion highlights the significance of both content and presentation in an essay, which relates to the previous discussion that a strong argument can be the main approach of a written work. That's all definition of an essay. From short, an essay is written work.
Structure for writing a study abroad scholarship essay. Start by introducing yourself and explaining your academic and career goals. Create an engaging introduction to capture the reader's interest. And the second, explain why you choose your field of study and career path. Share your background and motivation that led you to pursue this major. Present the reason why you deserve the scholarship. Explain how the scholarship will help you and the positive impact you can make. Provide concrete evidence that demonstrates your commitment. Mention relevant experience such as volunteer work, organization, or jobs that support your goals. And the last, conclude by summarizing why you deserve the scholarship and express your gratitude to the reader.
Now we have arrived in the what is the strategies, requirements, and essay writing tips. Of course, getting a scholarship to study abroad is the desire of many students because it provides an opportunity to obtain quality education, broaden perspective, and improve future career prospects. So the process of obtaining a scholarship, it can be very competitive and challenging, of course, but with the right preparation and effective strategies, your chance of success can be increased. So here's a detailed explanation of how to get a scholarship to study abroad. Number 1, you must setting goals and fields of study. Yeah, the first step is finding your scholarship, is to determine your goals and the program of study you want to take it. Are you interested in studying science, engineering, arts, or social? And then, choose the country you want to study in. Each country has different education policies and types of scholarship. For example, countries such as the United States, United Kingdom, Aussie, or Canada are known for the various scholarship offered to international students. So you must looking for it. And the second is finding information about scholarship, with the purpose is to finding information about available the scholarship. You can start it by visiting the website of the university, educational institution, or international organization that often offer scholarship. In addition, some governments also provided scholarship for the international student. Some example of well-known scholarship include the Fulbright Scholarship in the United States, Chevening Scholarship in the United Kingdom, Australia Awards in Aussie, and DAD Scholarship in Germany. The third is understand scholarship criteria and the requirements. Each scholarship program exactly has different criteria and the requirements. So therefore, it's important to understand the information provided by the scholarship provider. Some common requirements include is like academic achievement, high achievement grades are usually the main requirements. Some scholarship may also require transcript and the proof of graduation with certain honors. The second is language ability. If the language of instruction in the destination country is English, proof of English proficiency is usually required such as TOEFL or the adult test result. The next is extracurricular activities and leadership. Are you in organization or community project can be added value. The next is essay or statement of purpose. Many scholarships ask for essay or statement of purpose, explaining why you choose a particular study program and how it will support your future goals. The next is recommendation. Letters of recommendation from teacher, lecturers, or superior can be strengthen your application. The next is the verb to prepare the required documents. Preparing of the required documents is important step to scholarship application process. Some commonly required documents include like application form, academic transcript. The next is essay or statement of purpose and the letter of recommendation that we explained before. Okay, the fifth is follow the application process on the time. Each scholarship has different application deadline. So it's so important to act and follow this deadline carefully. Because submitting an application after the deadline or incomplementary may result your application not be considered. Therefore, be sure to start the application process early and allow enough time to complete the requirements. The sixth is prepare for the interview. Maybe some scholarship program may require interview as a part of selection process. So prepare yourself for the interview by studying the program and university. Yeah, you must learn about more about the program and university of your choice. And you can try interview practice, like common question that may be asked during the interview. The next is self-presentation. Prepare a way to present yourself confidently and convincingly. The 7 is attend scholarship training or counseling. Many institutions or organizations offer training and counseling for scholarship preparation. Attending such program can help you better prepare your application and increase your chance of getting a scholarship. And the last but not least, is look for scholarship alternative. In addition to full scholarship, there is also partial scholarship or other forms of financial aid that can be your option. You can also seek additional funding from non-governmental organizations, foundations, or companies that offer scholarship for international students. Getting a scholarship to study abroad requires true preparation, research, and strong commitment. By understanding the requirements and criteria, set preparing your application well, your chance of getting a scholarship will be increased. Take advantage of every piece of information available and don't give up even though the process may be challenging. So good luck!
Embracing global opportunities, my journey toward education excellence. In the world that increasingly value cross-curricular understanding and international collaboration, pursuing higher education abroad representation not just a personal ambition, but the significant opportunity for growth and contribution. As the dedicated student with a passion for international relationship, I'm eager to live the unique opportunities offered by University of Oxford to future my academic and personal goals. This scholarship will not only as the financial bundle but also enable me to immerse myself in diverse academic environment where I can make meaningful contribution and expand my horizon. My academic journey has been dragged by deep-seated interest in global diplomacy and conflict resolution. Through my studies, I have excelled in cross-sector and politically comparative politics and international law, demonstrating a consistent commitment to academic excellence. For example, my research on the role in international organization is mainly conflict in Southeast Asia result in presentation international conference and published in peer-reviewed journal, highlighting my capability and dedication. Pursuing education abroad at University of Oxford will allow me to engage with leading experts and cutting edge source, providing me with the advanced knowledge and skill necessary to pursue and career in international diplomacy. Focus on peace building effort in conflict zones. University of Oxford stand out the ideal place for my study do in the world renowned faculty, rigorous academic environment and extensive research opportunities in global governments and diplomacy. The Department of Politics and International Relations agree perfectly with my academic interest and chance to under guidance of professor. A leading expert in international conflict resolution is a aesthetic prospect at the university commitment to addressing global challenge through interdisciplinary collaboration resonance with a personal value, making it perfect fit for my education journey. Upon completely of my studies, I am committed to return to Indonesia to apply the knowledge and skill I have gained. My goal is to establish a non-profit organization dedicated to fostering peace and security in conflict-prone region of Southeast Asia. which will address the ongoing challenge of sectarian violence and political instability in my community and region. By fostering innovation and collaboration, I aim to contribute to international diplomacy and peace-building effort and drive positive change. This scholarship will be instrument in achieve their objective by providing the financial support necessary to focus to my studies and research without constraint of financial stress. Beyond my academic achievement, my personal experience have shaped my relationship to adaptation, volunteering with humanitarian organizations that work with refugees from conflict zones, and through my value and of perseverance and teamwork. Their qualities combined with my passion for international relations will enable me to thrive in international academic improvement and contribution positively to university community. Receiving this scholarship will be transformative opportunities, allowing me to pursue my education goal at University of Oxford and make meaningful impact in my field. I'm excited about the prospect to engage to global network of scholarship and professional, and I commit to leveraging this experience to contribute to both my home country and world academic community. Thank you for considering my application and supporting the appreciation of students dedicated to making difference through education.
The conclusion is, due to rising demand, scholarship to study abroad have become highly competitive. Scholarship SI must include critical elements such as the applicant academic background, career goals, personal motivation, and financial needs. Importance of storytelling, like a personal narrative, when used effectively, can make an applicant SI more engaging and impactful. And the last, preparation and strategy. As we know, proper research into available scholarship, understanding of eligibility criteria, and meticulous preparation of required documents.